arte kita kasi poesia o actually pinta pinta pintura riba pida wc papel wc dat is een conversatie com papel wc eigenlijk então dat is sentia certo so ja ela quer que o sushi só também limpia para sempre de subida. Pero uma vez se você quer den local você quer nós tour den mundo que tem algo especial para assim. Então junto nós da forma lo que nós está. Do eu pensei tudo dentro quer den na mesa. So that's a message.
So I wanted to bring a piece that says connects everything together. Oh, on your top there again you can see a portrait. Since I was a small kid, I like frame portraits, and my thought was black and white, you know? So that's where the portrait. Middle part is for Miami. So I put some cast bites, you know, the palm tree, the sunset. And on the right side, you see the Aruba flag, the vertical flag, Jewish. So I want to connect art together. I will leave something that I get. Be inspired by both. But I got inspired. Yeah, and I want to leave a nice inspiration for the kids, for the younger generation, you know?